I mean, it is a special moment for everyone. It's the dream of every single player, football player. In my opinion, it's the best tournament in the world. So every game I played in the Champions League, I really enjoyed it, the anthem, the atmosphere, everything. And maybe the right person to ask the Champions League is Mario, because he won the title there as well. But in personal, if I speak about Champions League, I still get goosebumps.
Wow. Yeah, it's what
Mario Gomez, the former football star of Manchester City Football Club, here gives his overview and a description towards that today's match, Real Madrid versus Manchester City at Etihad Stadium. As Mario Gomez says, he knows what is a difficult of getting the positive result at Santiago Bernabeu, but he also believes on the current squad of the Manchester City Football Club. Now Mario Gomez says that the only thing that Manchester City are supposed to do is to, of course, bring the respect to Real Madrid at their home stadium, because Real Madrid is just not a good team at Santiago Bernabeu. Real Madrid is just changing it totally at Santiago Bernabeu. Carlo Ancelotti will just change the formula of this game, because he played with Manchester City with several matches. As of course, he understands them very well. The same to Pep Guardiola understands well Carlo Ancelotti, the Don Carlo Ancelotti, and that today's match is going to be decided by the quality of the squads, the quality of the team, the quality of the technical bench. As Carlo Ancelotti is just thinking about having the many goals in today's match, as well as Pep Guardiola wants to have to win this match, as well as maybe to have the draw result. Something which is going to be the great battle, as a decisive battle, and the battle of using the approaches and of course techniques. And this time around, Gomez uses to say that it's going to be the amazing game and the competitive match, due to the fact that UEFA Champions League is not easy. In fact, it's a league that involves best clubs, it's a league that involves the quality players, and that's what is just